Intersection and union, the second sub-part of this chapter. What was the intersection? Is intersection when I have two groups, two sets, and if I have common elements, I write them in a group of their intersection, common elements. Also, if I do not have any common element between two sets, I call them disjoint or mutually exclusive. And I can write like this. A intersection B, empty set. We write intersection as, this is a notation of intersection. And the union, when we combine sets, we combine the elements. If I have common elements, I just write them once. And this one is notation. A union B, this one A intersection B. Intersection, common elements, union, combination of the two groups. Let's see some problems from your book. One from your book. I have two sets of numbers and the question is find their intersection and the union. What was the intersection? I look for the numbers which are in common for both of them. Let's look one by one. 6 is in the first, not in the second. 7 only in the first. 9, here I have a 9. One element in the first and one element in the second. Then I have 11, 12, okay. Only 9. 9 is common for the first set and the second set. And second one, union, I need to combine the sets. So how do I do the combination? I just need to list all the elements, starting from the least to the highest. So it will be 5, 6, 7, 8. As I have 9 in both of them, I just need to write it once. 9, then it goes 10, 11, 12, and 13. Here is the union of the sets. And let's do one more example, question number 5. Suppose number of elements in A is 8 and in B is 11. Find the possible values of A intersection B. So let's try to imagine what it can be. Number of A intersection B. There is no information about the elements of the A and B. So it says just find the possible values. What can be the possibility? The possible values can be the number. It can be 0. How it can be 8 elements totally different, 11 elements totally different. So they may not have nothing in common. They may have 1 in common, 2 elements in common, 3 elements in common, 4 elements, 5, 6, 7, till the 8. So what does it mean? A is actually when I have 8 elements in common. A is a subset of B. So it's all the possibilities. And I hope you understood it, the possible values. And for the number of elements for the A union B, what can be when I combine A union B? Let's imagine 8 elements. A is subset of B, so 8 elements is also in B. So what can be, how many numbers it may have? A union B, it might have 11. Because 8 elements is also in B, they are same, I don't need to count them twice, so it will be just 11. It can go like this till 12. 7 elements in common and 1 different. Maybe 13. 2 elements in common and 2 elements different. Other elements are same. Till when 8 all elements are totally different. When I write them, I need to list them all. So it can be till possibilities till 19. When 8 is different, I just add them up. 19 different outcomes it might have.